you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and improve the situation. Follow this easy guide to get back to gaming with friends. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test or checking the connection status in the PS5 settings. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes, simply restarting your PlayStation 5 can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off the console completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software to check for updates. Install any available updates. Step 4. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance affecting multiplayer services. If there are issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Adjust NAT type. Check your NAT type in the network settings. A NAT type of 1 open or 2 moderate is ideal for online gaming. If your NAT type is 3 strict, consider adjusting your router settings or enabling UPnP to improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most multiplayer issues on your PlayStation 5. Happy gaming!